Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here for another makeup tutorial. Today I'm playing with the Shane and Jeffree Conspiracy Palette. This beauty was absolute madness when it launched. I'm sure most of you were on the website just like I was trying to check out and nothing was happening, but luckily I got it when the pre-order happened and I was very excited when it arrived. I absolutely love all of the colors in here. And today we're going to be playing with this orange and this dark purple and this beautiful Just a Theory glitter. So on my eyes I've got this fun look, so if you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill x Morphe JH32 brush, which is just a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to start with the shade Tanacon, and I'm going to stick that in my crease as kind of like my base and transition shade, and just get stuff started on the eye. So again, I'm taking Tanacon and I'm taking it kind of over the crease and my lid just as a base for blending all the rest of the shades. I am going to kind of drag it out here just to get a nice shape going. Alright, so now I'm going to take Diet Root Beer and I'm going to stick that in my crease, starting in the outer area and working my way in. These two shades have been my favorite in the palette because they're just perfect for the crease area and starting the transitions and blending everything together. I'm just going to work on blending these two shadows well and getting a nice base for what we're going to do next, which is going to be a nice color. And just so you know, I don't have anything on my face. The only thing I've done is my eyebrows. I'm going to do my face after my eyes just in case we have any fallout happening. Alright, so I think that's pretty good for my transition shades. Now I'm going to dip straight into Cheese Dust. This bright orange color here with a little piggy dipped into it. Very cute. I love the shapes stamped into the eyeshadow. I was watching the documentary while they were making it and I was like, ooh, those are really cute. So they turned out really, really nice. But anyway, I'm going to take that Cheese Dust and I'm going to start that in the crease and on the lid and just working that into the colors we have already, which those colors have a tiny bit of a orangey tone to them, at least Diet Root Beer does, so they're really good for this shade going in. So we're just going to slowly build up this orange color until we're happy with where it's at. And all of these shadows so far are blending very well. Especially Tanacon and Diet Root Beer. Like I said, they're some of my favorites. They blend so well to me. I just haven't had any complaints about those at all. I don't know if you saw my mini controversy palette that I did a tutorial with earlier, but I did a blue look and I had some complaints about the fallout with the blue, but with this orange I haven't had any issues. It blends very well. So I'm just continuing to add that color, building it up, making sure I'm getting exactly what I want here. So I think that's looking pretty good. I'm going to move on to the other side. So again, I'm just adding this orange, keeping it in that crease area and on the lid, just trying to build it up to where I like it. I'm going to actually go back into a little bit of Tanacon and Diet Root Beer and go over the edge here just to kind of bring those back in on this side, because I feel like they got a little bit lost. Alright, so I think that orange has come through really well. I'm going to switch to my JH33. And I'm going to dive into this shade right here that's deep purple maroony shade called Not a Fact. Yeah, Not a Fact. So I'm going to dip into that with this It's still a fluffy brush, but it's a little bit more precise. And I'm gonna start that in the outer V area, in the outer crease. So this is just going to add some depth to the eye and really create a nice balance of colors. I think this color looks really nice with the orange. So we're just gonna add this till it shows through the way we want it without overriding that orange too much, hopefully. Again, I'm keeping this more on the outer V and the upper crease area on the outside of my eye. So I'm gonna go back to my JH32 and grab the orange again and go over this edge out here. Try not to muddy this too much up here. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush here. This is the JH41, and I'm going to dive into my favorite shade in the whole palette, which is this glittery Just a Theory. I absolutely love this shade. It's good with a bunch of different things. It's very pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold, but it has some really pretty reflexes in it of like purple and just really good stuff. I'm going to slowly work that into the center and front of my lid, blending it into that purple shade. Alright, I'm gonna take this and blend everything together a bit more. I feel like these are coming up a little bit too much. Try to fix some of that. As you can see, this glitter looks really nice next to this purple color. I think it's a really good combination. I'm just working this glitter in, getting it where I want it. Trying to blend it over the purple. And bring everything together. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I will be right back with you. Alright, so I've got the rest of my face pretty much done. I'm gonna go back to my eyes to do the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is the JH43. And I'm gonna take Cheese Dust, that orange shade, and go down on the bottom here and kind of drag it out a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna take that same brush and go into that deep purple, Not a Fact. And keep this one as close to my lash line as I can. And only on the outer half. I'm just trying to really connect all the colors on the top, on the bottom. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner. I'm going to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm not 100% thrilled about this liner, but I'm gonna stop before I mess it up more. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. And I'm going to finish off the entire look with my Kylie Cosmetics Velvet in the shade Commando. Alright, so this is my finished look using the Shane and Jeffree palette. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this fun orange and purpley eyeshadow look. That Just a Theory glitter is my all-time favorite out of like any palette that I own, so I definitely was excited to play with that and add some colors behind it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like and a comment down below. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around for more videos. And for those that are subscribed, please remember to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. But until my next video, I'll see you guys then. Bye!